Good day everyone, how you doing? It is very happy to see you again into our another video and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we would like to try to apply the Autofit for this. As you can see here, this is the messy table, and usually when we do not know yet about the trick and formula, we should adjust the size of this column manually, and also as you can see here the row of 4 also slightly messy here. How to do that, and please keep watching on this video. So the first step we will do is very simple. You can just click all of this column and row, and we will direct our cursor into the format, and I will choose the Autofit row height. And as you can look here, as you can see here, the Autofit will help you to adjust the row, the row size, and also it will adjust the shape and size of the each font here. And it is not enough because we need to adjust the column size. Then keep the block or drag to the an entire column and row, and we will choose Autofit column width. And there you go. The size of this column is already adjusted. As you can see here, it's already tidy, and it's ready to use for any purposes. If you would like to know about our tricks to do the Autofit, please let us know on a comment down below, because in the previous, because I've ever tried to change it by the view code here, and I will worksheet. I think it's not work for this version of my Microsoft Excel, since it's still an old version of the Microsoft Excel. Let's say I will try to adjust the column, and I will type out of it. If you in the latest and newest version of Microsoft Excel, I think that there will show the several options to click the Autofit, but since my Microsoft Excel in the old version, I think this doesn't provide me the option to do the Autofit automatically. So if you have any requests, or is there any trick that you would like to know, please let us know in a comment down below, and I would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.